Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jerry Flash, and I apologize for my hair looking all crazy. It's just been a tough afternoon so far. I actually didn't wake up till 12, but, you know, it's just my sleepiness and everything, so just don't mind my hair at all. But anyway, as you can see, I also do got face paint on the side of my face, if you're wondering where I got that from. For those of you subscribers that do know me from Red Oak, then you do know. But those of you that don't go to Red Oak, it was actually Friday. There was games that was going on for Friday, you know. So I got this face paint way early in the morning after I got to school, and I made it like WWE the Usos to make it a Red Oak version, of course, because there's a maroon and everything, and that's what we did. There was a pep rally and all that, and that's just what happened. And so I've had it since Friday, so yeah, I haven't taken it off yet, but I am gonna take it off pretty soon though. But anyway, it's been kind of a while since I did a reaction video, and now I'm finally back. And now that the gigabytes seem to be working again, so I'm gonna continue where I left off with the funny WWE alarm clock wake up videos. This by Kid Clips. This time we got funny WWE alarm clock, funny WWE alarm clock wake up 4. Sorry, I can't even speak right because I guess I'm kind of excited that I'm getting back to reaction videos after a long time. But anyway, this time we got funny WWE alarm clock wake up number 4 by Kid Clips, and I'm just not gonna waste any time at all. So let's just go right ahead and get into it, shall we? So like John Cena and Triple H would always say, your time is up, my time is now, it's time to play the game. So let's get right into it, shall we? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1 week of WWE alarm clocks. Ooh, starting off strong Monday with my boy Roman Reigns. Ha! Ha! It's pretty funny how he's actually dressed in black too, like Reigns. Except he's got an NWO show, but he's dressed in black. he's mad. I like Roman Reigns. Ooh, Tuesday. Woken Matt Hardy. Look at Kid Clips. He's just not even gonna peek his eyeballs out. He's just keeping it underneath the pillow. Perfect sense. Wednesday. Ooh, Road Dogg, Jesse James. I like that actually. Oh, somebody. That should never get old. With him and Billy Gunn as the New Age Outlaws. Look at Kid Clips. Yep, OD Generation X. Oh, you didn't know? He's smiling about it. I like that. That's funny. Just threw the phone down. Thursday. Ooh, Brie Bella. She gonna say Brie mode? Okay, that was funny actually. Just Brie mode. If you didn't see what happened on SmackDown Live, I heard Brie Bella is gonna return to pay-per-view event act. She's gonna go back in the WWE ring. Her and Nikki Bella was supposed to be back in the ring on Monday Night Raw, and tomorrow night. And then Brie Bella is gonna team up with Daniel Bryan at Hell in a Cell for Miz and Maurice taking on Friday AJ Styles. Slowly woke up. I can't wait to see Brie Bella back in the ring at Hell in a Cell, teaming up with her husband Daniel Bryan to take out Miz and Maurice. I really hope they beat him too, because I really do not like Miz or Maurice. I hate them both. And it's gonna be interesting to see Brie Bella back in the WWE ring along with Nikki Bella in a tag team match tomorrow night. I really want to see that. Bella Twins back in action. I'm not sure I understand. Oh, he's got a piercing in his ear. I didn't see that before. Saturday. Ooh, Shane McMahon. It's gonna be Here Comes the Money. That would actually wake me up. Here comes the money. Oh, that's funny. Kid Clips' reactions when he just gets woken up are just perfect, you know? Because, I mean, that's probably what would happen if somebody got woken up like that, you know? I probably bet that's what happened if those things... Doing the Shane dance. That was funny. Okay, last Sunday. Oh, R-Truth. Should have guessed it. What's up? I wish he probably would have thought about doing the thing from the scary movie. What's up? Actually, that's actually what I do with my friend Allie at church. Actually, I remember we do that. We go, "What's up?" I just like it. My dad actually hates R-Truth, to be honest. If you don't know that.
Any suggestions for more WWE alarms?
Okie dokie. Just gets woken up. I love it when they play it back in slow motion at the end of the video. That's good. Okay, that was a good one. I don't know which one was my favorite. I think I liked I don't know. I think I liked Brie Bella mode. I think I liked the Brie Bella one. I think that was good. Alright. But anyway, so that'll be it for today, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike, give it a thumbs down. And join me next time, and we should be able to get to funny WWE Alarm Clock Wake Up number 5. But until then, this is Joe Flash signing off, and have a good day.